Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a vehicle made by General Motors. So if you guys have a Chevy, Buick, GMC or Cadillac guys, what we'll be doing guys will be helpful for all of you guys. We'll show you how to reset or calibrate steering angle sensor. Let's say you replace some mechanical parts on the suspension guys or on the steering, or you had a front end alignment. You will guys need to reset your steering angle sensor, otherwise you may get a light, traction light, and it's annoying guys, and every time you need to reset that thing. So we'll explain how to do that now, how to calibrate and how to reset. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you want to see guys what tools we use, or if you need to buy any parts for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. That way you can save even more money. Let me show you, okay, what we will be doing now guys. We have a 2015 Chevy Cruze that we replace a few mechanical parts, and we need to reset our steering angle sensor now, and I'll explain, okay, how to do that. So it should work on any General Motors vehicle guys. So we need to find guys your OBD connector. OBD connector is where you plug your scanner. Find it, connect your scanner. Ready. Now I come on the inside, excuse me, and what we need to do now guys, we need to turn the ignition on. Ignition is on. This is the scanner here, something I'll definitely guys recommend to have. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. You can read and delete codes from engine computers, airbag computers, register car batteries. You can do quite a few things with that thing. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go to steering angle sensor. Okay, right there, steering angle sensor. So it's loading now. Let me just close the door because it's very annoying the way it beeps. So introduction to the function guys. This thing will explain what the function is about. It says that every time you replace mechanical parts or steering angle sensor, you need to have four-wheel alignment and then reset the sensor. So how we do that, you select choose vehicle. We select USA. Now here we're going to scroll down to General Motors guys. Ours is a 2015 passenger car Chevy. Now we select Cruze, number 7, enter. Now click the first one, electronic brake control module. Okay, right there. Switch on ignition. Our ignition is already on. Perfect. Now what we need to do, we click OK. Establishing vehicle communication guys. Steering angle sensor reward. Click enter. Now align the front wheel straight and center the steering wheel and press OK button to continue. So the wheels are straight, steering wheel, okay, I'm trying to see, okay, like that. This is it, perfectly straight, at least in my opinion. Now we click OK here. Establishing communication. 4, 3, 2. Service stability traction control lights come on. Okay, the test has been successful guys. We click OK and everything will turn off on its own now. So you can see guys, that's how we do it. All you have to do from that point on, just exit the settings, unplug your device, and you can actually check the angle on the steering wheel. If you go through the ABS and traction control computer, see the data, and you can see and test your sensor as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Quick video guys to show you how to do that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.